because there was just a sea of car parks around the mall and really no safe pedestrian access in.
So a bunch of things were done to address that, and you can see here this yellow footpath here. We simply got some of the car parks, we painted them yellow, put some zebra striping, and that created an access way for people to walk to the town centre. You can also see that we created better pathways from the Windrush Reserve across into the town centre as well, and that's a really important way that people told us that they walk to the town centre from where they live.
And if you look down this way, you'll see that we've now got a safe pedestrian access route that comes right into the sort of heart of the mall area and down this way into entrance row 3. And also now the people are kept a little bit further from the cars as they're walking in towards the mall. So it's a much safer walking environment.